Good morning, student, and welcome to today's drawing class. For today, we'll be looking into triangles. Triangles, all right. So, what's a triangle? Triangle is a plane figure having three sides and what and three angles. Yeah, having three sides and three angles, and the total angle in a triangle is equals to what? Is equals to 180. All right, equals to 180. Yeah, total angle of a triangle equals to 180. So this is an example of a triangle, a plane figure, all right? So which means the sum of this first angle, this second angle, and this third angle is equals to what? 180 degrees. All right, so today we'll be looking into the construction of different types of triangle. Basically, under triangle, we have three major types. Yeah, classification according to number of sides. Yeah, classification according to length of side. All right, that's the first type. Classification according to length of side. So the very first one here is what is the equilateral triangle. All right, the equilateral. Equilateral triangle. So the second one is the scalene. The scalene triangle. Why the third one is what is the isosceles triangle. Okay, so we are going to be going with the construction of each of the following triangle, right? So for the very first one, the equilateral, what does it imply? It implies that this kind of triangle is having what? Three equal sides and three equal angles. Three equal sides and three equal angles. Alright? While for the scaling, what does that imply? It implies that none of the sides and none of the angle of this particular triangle is what is equal. Alright? While in isosceles, it implies that two sides and two angles is what is equal to each other, while the third one is not the same. Alright? So we'll be looking into the construction of each of the following triangle. Alright? So towards my right hand side here, I'm having my ruler. Alright? So because I'm doing this on the chalkboard, so this I'm going to make use as my what? As my meter or as my ruler. Alright? So for the very first one, I'm going to be constructing an equilateral triangle of side 40 mm and equilateral triangle of side 40 mm. So far we say equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, then which means both side A, B, and C is going to be what? 40 mm each. So equilateral of 40 mm. Yeah, of side 40 mm. So how do we do this? Listen up. So in construction, the very first thing is what you produce a horizontal line here. You produce an horizontal line first of all, right? So this is my horizontal line. After producing that horizontal line, so the very next thing is to denote a point, alright? Name it as your what? Your point A. Name it as your point A. So we are told that our triangle is what? Is 40 mm. So from my ruler, take a look at this. From point 0, I'm extending it to get to point 4. Alright, so this dimension here is what? Is 40. So I'm going to place it at point A, then I'm going to strike an arc. Okay, so this is my what? Point B. Automatically, the distance from A to B is what? Is 40 mm. Alright, so how do I get my last distance? So far it is equilateral, all sides are equal. So I'm going to continue with the same dimension of what? 40. Place the same dimension of 40 with your compass and what? On point A. Strike an arc at the top, alright? Then place the same 40 on what? On point B. And strike another arc towards the top. You can see we have what? An intersection here. So this point of intersection is what I am going to what? I'm going to join. I'm going to join to my what? To my point A and point B. To my point A and point B. Can you see? One and what? And two. And two. Alright? And two. So this is what? This is an equilateral triangle. So this point what? Pointing at AC is what? 40 mm. Likewise, BC is what? 40 mm. So this is what? This is an equilateral triangle. Yeah. This is an equilateral. So for the second one, I'm going to be constructing a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle. So I was told that the dimension of this triangle AB equals to 30 mm, BC equals to 40 mm. Then I was told that what? AC equals to what? Equals to 50 mm. Okay, so my AB is 30, my BC is 40, my AC is 50. You can see none of the sides in this triangle is equal. Yeah, none of its sides are equal. So, and that is what? That is a scalene triangle. So, how do we do this? Just look at the procedure. So, I'm going to produce an horizontal line also. After producing that horizontal line, I'm going to pick a point, naming that point what? Point A. Then we are told that what? AB is what? Is 30. So pick your compass, go to your ruler where your ruler is, and measure what? Measure 30. Okay, this is my 30. Can you see? That's my 30. I place it that way. At point A, I place it at point A, I strike. So that's my what? That's my B. So AB here is what? Is 30. Alright. So my BC is what? Is 40. So I'm going to come down to my ruler also. I'm going to think BC is what? 40. Can you see? So that's my 40. So it is what? BC. So I'm going to pick my what? My B. Placing it on point B, and I'm going to what? Strike and hack. Yeah, I'm going to strike and hack. Can you see? So now we get that what? AC equals to what? 50. AC is 50. So I'm going to come down here to my ruler. And I'm going to pick my what? My 50. Can you see? That's my 50. So then I'm going to place that way at point A. At point A, then I'm going to what? Strike another arc. I'm going to strike another arc. Can you see? So I'm having what? I'm having an intersection here also. I'm having an intersection here. So what do I do next? So the next thing I'm going to do is what? I'm going to join that kind of intersection to A and what? And B. And that's what I'm going to do. Can you see? To point A and to point B. Okay, so for this one now, this is what? This is scaling. So BC is what? You can measure it with your ruler. This point C now, your BC is what? BC equals to what? 40 mm, while AC is what? 50 mm. You can measure it with your ruler to confirm it, right? So that is that about. So for the last one, I'm going to be doing what? An isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle. Alright. In isosceles, I told you that only two sides is equal. Two sides are equal. So in this case, we are given the dimension for our isosceles triangle to be. Okay, for our isosceles. In a triangle. Let's assume this is a triangle, right? So this portion from here to here is known as what? Base. Alright? Yeah. Why the height from here to here is known as what? Altitude. So let that sink at the back of the line is known as what? Altitude. So this isosceles triangle, we are told that our altitude is what? Altitude. Altitude should be 40 mm. While the base is what? Is 30 mm. So when our altitude is 40 mm, that means that what? The dimension from here to here is what? 40. Here to here is what? 40. While here to here is 30. So how do we do that? So produce your what? Your horizontal line first of all. After producing your horizontal line, pick a point here. Name it your point what? Point A. We are told that our base is what? Our base is 30 mm. So pick your compass, alright. Then come here and pick your 30 on your ruler. That's my 30. Place it there from point A. Then strike. So this is my B. We are told that that's what? 30. And our altitude is what? 40. So you come back in on your ruler and pick what? 40. Alright, so come to point A, then strike and hack with the 40, then point B also. Strike another hack with the 40. Okay, so this point what? This point, my AC is what? 40 and my BC is what? 40 and then 40 mm. Alright, so that is that about classification of triangle according to what? According to length of side. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.